Be a part of an all-inclusive vacation that has your culture in Cancun, Mexico, August 7th to August 11th. Join your fellow West Indians for a vacation that includes a cooking competition and entertainment. With Ramoutar. The Raja Rakesh Yankaran. Randy Recklez. Plus Vanessa Ramoutar and the Tassa Group. Join us in Cancun August 7. Airfares plus all-inclusive hotel starts at $14.95. Call TravelSpan at 212-243-0865. Trinidad call Amrals at 645-1604. In Canada call 647-557-6200. And in Guyana at 227-1701.